Hello everyone, again this is Antonio Team Tiggio. In this video, we want to run our second Google ad by using the website that was designed by a graphic designer off of Fiverr. If you're interested in having a website created by Fiverr, I just want to say I will put a link below to my Fiverr affiliate account. But without further ado, let's just give another backstory. I had this website created. This is solely for all affiliate marketing products. And recently, I just got serious. I started looking at a lot of videos, how a lot of affiliate marketers are making thousands, some make it even millions by using the product of affiliate marketing. So I said to myself, let's get serious. So in the first video, I did I did a Google ad about running traffic to my Elementor page, but on this time I want to run marketing to the Vidnami page. So the ones that don't know what Vidnami is basically a platform where you can create videos with the power of text. Vidnami is a powerful platform, and basically I signed up to become affiliate marketer with this platform, and now I want to see if I can make some money by using Vidnami. Now I'm running this same exact ad on with Facebook ads, and I released this video, and that video will be released before this video, this Google video, is released, and I got to make a part 2 of that Facebook video where I'm running ads on Vidnami. And in this video, I just want to make that video just to see um, if I could bring traffic and then stop bringing sales, but with the power of Vidnami. So without the further ado, let's jump in this platform so we can go ahead and send people to our affiliate marketing link. We want people to sign up and get a free 14-day trial. And signing up with that free 14-day trial, in return, if you're happy with the software, then you can go ahead and in return purchase it for the duration in this what is like uh, 25 or $30 a month by using an unlimited amount of videos. Also, you can use Vidnami. Some people are running using Vidnami, they never shown their face, and they're making $1,000 a month with the power of YouTube. So let's scroll down, and this is how it looks when you click on that free trial. It goes to Vidnami, and in Vidnami, um, this is my affiliate marketing code that will be in when you go in and you grow, you sign in and then you grow your business with YouTube. All right, I'm gonna copy this for later. All right, so let's go back. I'm gonna get back in my page, and then let's go and let's get started. All right, so I'm in my Google Ads account, and the first thing I want to do is I want to click on sales because that's what I want to do. And from sales, I want to click on search. And then I want to hit continue. Now, one moment, it's having a mind of its own. Now, here we go. And I want to hit continue because I want to go in and set up this campaign. All right, sell, okay. Hello, one day. All right, let's click website visits. And let's click on, that's a step I missed. Let's visit, let's click on the website URL. All right, so now let's click continue. All right, so let's name our campaign name, and in the campaign name, what we're going to call this basically is this Vidnami. All right, let's scroll down. For now, I'm just going to focus on the United States. I'm going to just keep it as English. My daily budget, I'm just going to put $5 a day. All right, so what do you want to focus on? Of course, we want to focus on conversions, but for now, let's just keep it as clicks. Set a maximum cost per click bid limit. And let's do that. So our cost per click bid limit is 5 cents. All right. So now add extensions. Let's just click save and continue. Now, I do want to point out that a lot of the heavy lifting as far as having the landing page has been created, in addition to having uh, a lot of the aspects have already been completed, because I just wanted to have a way to go ahead and finish up this um, quickly. So, all right, so let's go back and update these keywords here. So let's go to let's make this URL vidnami.com, and let's replace the keywords, because the keywords that came up with was not going to do a very good job of making me any money. So now I updated it to vidnami.com and not directly to my website. There will be an area for my website, but that's not where I want it to go. So let's call this video editing software. And that's the ad group name. That's what I'm just going to call it. All right, so these are the keywords, and I projected to cost 44 cents. I'm going to get 13 clicks per day off a $5 budget. I'm just going to do this just because I'm experimenting with this. If I start getting a lot more traffic, then of course I'm going to increase the budget from 5. That's the way you do it. Don't start out the gate spending money that you definitely don't have. You can start off possibly with $5 a day. Let's look how it'll be if I increase this to $10 a day. And let's see how this increases. See, even at $10 a day, it doesn't really show a great deal of a difference. So let's just keep it at $5 a day for right now, for video purposes, because we don't want to make this a very long video. And let's go to our next step. So now we in the process of actually creating the ad itself. So creating the ad itself, the final URL is tiggio.net, Vidnami, which is true. All right, so let's remove Tiggio affiliate marketing, because that's not going to make us no money. And let's put it where it says grow your business with video. All right, number 2, headline. Let's put use video for marketing. I don't think I'm gonna have enough. Can I do it like this? Oh, that's 2. All right, let's say use video for marketing. All right, let's see. In the third headline, let's do make custom videos for business. All right, went over. Um, let's make for to in business. Okay. Use video for marketing. All right. It's looking good so far. All right. So now let's write a description. So the thing I want to do is, nope. All right. Let's go to my website and let's see what we can use. Let's see if this works. Too many. Let's see. What can we shave down? Let's take this out. Let's see what happens. All right, let's see what we can use. All right, let's see what happened. Let's see how this reads. Vidnami uses intelligence to intelligence to select. All right, let's do it a different way. All right, Vidnami uses intelligence to select video clips from a library of 790,000 clips. All right, the fastest way to create all the videos for your business needs. All right, Vidnami uses the fastest way. No, matter of fact, I'm gonna make this description number 2, and in description number 1, I need to have something just a little more jazzier. All right, so let's put start your 14-day free trial. All right, and then I'm gonna go back to the Vidnami site, and I'm gonna use some content that they allows you to use. And what I want to do is I want to copy this text right here. All right. All right, let's go back to our campaign. Start your 14 free trial. So you can all right, now that don't sound right with this. All right, dang. I'm gonna take out required because we don't have enough text, and I'm gonna put needed. All right, so start your 14-day free trial with this point and click video maker. All right, so let's make sure your ad follows a certain uniform. You don't want part of your ad using all of the first letter capitalized and the rest don't. So you want to make sure that it's popping. All right, so let's go recap. Headline: Grow your business with video. Use video for marketing. Make custom videos in business. And we couldn't put for your business because we only have 30 characters. All right, so description number 1: start your 14-day free trial with this point and click video maker, no experience needed. And then we use Vidnami, and let's clean this up. uses. Want to make sure this looking good. To select. Yeah, you want to make sure your ad looks legit. You don't want to you don't want, it look out of whack, because people pay attention to uh, any smidgen of error, and then they turn around and they will ignore your ad. So that's not what you want. All right. All right. So now let's hit save and continue. So now that we at save and continue, the following issues might negatively impact your performance. All right, so now it says the campaign does not have a conversion tracking setup. Let's fix it. A conversion action is something valuable to your business that people do after interacting with your ads. To track your sales as conversion actions across your account. Create a conversion action and then install the conversion code. So let's click here. All right, to start the conversion code, the conversions, you'll need to install the tracking code on your website. So let's click here. All right, and then I want to email instructions to the webmaster. All right, no, install tracking code yourself. And this is where the tracking code will go. And then I'll go back to my website here. And because I already have Monster Insights, I definitely have a conversion tracker already on the site. So I monitor all of my clicks with Jetpack, and I monitor my clicks with Monster Insights. So let's see. Let's go to settings, and let's see what's here. All right. So it's loading. All right. So you are now connected to Monster Insights to make it effortless for you to implement Google Analytics tracking. So clearly you see it's already on the site. All right. So I'm estimated to receive 18 clicks. The cost is going to be 58 cents daily. So definitely what I'm going to do is the campaign is ready to publish. Create at least 3 ads in your campaign to improve campaign performance. So I'm gonna go back after this video. I'm definitely going to follow suit what's recommended by Google. So because I want the best performance from this. This is only just a video showing you how to set up your ads, how to do certain things. Getting 18 clicks deadly is definitely a good thing. So the next thing I want to do is just publish this ad, and after I publish this ad, it's going to go through a review process, and then I get notified when my ad has been approved. Now right here it says it's enabled right now. So basically they went ahead and approved my ad, and now I'm running the ad. And the good thing about this ad is, I'm gonna say this before I leave out, a lot of people are not running ads on here, and I guess I just said too much. But people are not running ads on Vidnami, so that gives me a good chance to make sure that I'm running an ad and I'm having success. And I know it was a little pitchy at one point. It was just some things I had to figure out. But once again, this is Antonio with Team Tiggio, and I will see you on the third part of running Google Ads. This is the second part. I upload first part, so I want to keep doing videos like this on my channel. So once again, I will see you next time.